upload that, and we can see that it's being successfully uploaded to this path. Alright, so insecure file uploads. What are they all about and what can you do with it? Now we are on a damn vulnerable web application here on low security. As you can see, we have a small bug in the damn vulnerable web application. Nothing to be worried about. Now what we see here is a standard upload. Now we have this browse button, we see our files, we can pick anything like that and just press upload. Now we can start looking at the source code in particular example here because it is actually quite interesting. It's a small code. We just see that, you know, some sort of check is going on an if statement, something about it if a variable is posted, and we do have some sort of root here. So it's a damn vulnerable page web root and some sort of a library called hackable uploads. Something with the base name of the file, probably just the name of the file, I guess. Then we do this move upload file, so if we can move the file to the upload folder, and that's basically the upload functionality just right there. But we can see, just looking at the code right now, that there's no try a code, no to try a file. Our file we're trying to upload, it's not tested for anything, no verification, no identification, no input validation, there's nothing going on. So this is just the most open kind of version, the most first version of file upload that you're doing as a school student probably. And if you're doing that to a company and you're shipping that kind of stuff to production, you can basically upload any file. Now, since this is a PHP written system, we can upload a PHP file. So I have on my home a file called proofconcept.php, a POC file. We can upload that, and we can see that it's being successfully uploaded to this path. So we can take this path here and just put it in at the top, and we can now execute the code directly, which is inside the POC file. To prove that the POC file is executed correctly, we can nano inside the POC file. There you go. And we can see that it does actually just say echo hello, and that is the only thing it does. It is a little large, the screen. Let's zoom out a bit. So this is exactly the thing. Now what we could do now is we can go ahead and put in all different kind of things and vulnerable code we can upload. And this is a beginner video, and I'm not gonna shock you in any way with any difficult stuff. The problem about uploading whatever file you can upload is that you can, in this particular case, you have access to the file, and when you have access to the file you can call it, and if you call it, you can basically make it execute. And if you can make it execute, you can upload your own code, and if you can upload your own code, you can basically write any kind of, you know, exploit or bad code to try and delete or exfiltrate information from the system, even giving you a remote access to the system that you can type command through and whatever not. So hacking wise, this is the golden thing. If you can upload a file and it's a PHP system, it's most likely game over. If you're the hacker, you won. So it's kind of interesting what you could do. I'm not really gonna shock you with anything crazy, but I want to say this is the most horrible thing you can have, a upload functionality with no sort of, you know, input validation or whatsoever. So it is one of the most difficult things to do, to work with. It is actually the file upload, because the file upload is difficult to input validate in the right way, because it is a file you put on your system. It's difficult to imagine what can be in that file if you don't know about it, but just imagine that someone can put a box inside your home, and you know what's inside of the box, and you open it and boom, no. So in some way you need to verify what's inside of the box, you need to verify what is the box, you need to verify how the box came in and who put it in and so on. So there are many things you need to verify, and doing all that in code is kind of difficult. Now I do have videos on my channel about uploading vulnerabilities, how to exploit them, and so on. That is a bit more advanced topic. This is the absolute most beginner of exploitation on web vulnerabilities. I hope you learned something about this. File upload is bad if you don't do input validation. The good about the damn vulnerable web application is that you can see the actual source code down here below. When we go ahead and upgrade the security level to medium and so on, not going to be this video now, because we're going through some of the most important vulnerabilities on low security first. Then we will also look at, you know, what they have done to, you know, better the code, so we cannot just upload any PHP file, which would be lovely. It should be like that, but at the moment we can just upload anything, and that's really bad. So really hope you learned something about this video, understand a few things, and I'm gonna see you again in another future video. Have a nice day and happy hacking.